In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Republic Bank credit card online in 2025. Applying online for a credit card can seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance, you can sail through the process smoothly. Let's break it down into manageable steps and get you on your way to owning a Republic Bank credit card. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the correct website for Republic Bank in your region, such as Republic Bank Trinidad and Tobago or Republic Bank Barbados. Make sure you're on the official website to ensure your personal information is secure. Once you're on the site, take a moment to browse the various credit cards available. Each card might offer different benefits, so it's important to choose the one that aligns with your financial needs and lifestyle. Once you've selected the card that catches your attention, look for a button that says something like Start New Application. This is your gateway to beginning the online process, and it should be easy to spot on the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the application form. Filling out the application form is your next step. This part requires you to provide accurate personal and financial information. Be honest and thorough, as this is crucial for the approval process. Double check your details for any errors before moving on. Now let's move on to uploading the required documents. You'll need digital copies or photos of a few key items. First up is your valid photo identification, something like your national ID. Next, you'll need proof of address, which could be a recent utility bill. Finally, your proof of income can come in the form of a recent job letter or payslip. Depending on where you are and your specific circumstances, the bank might also request additional documents, such as a letter of authorization or a lease agreement. Ensure these documents are clear and legible before you upload them. After you've filled out the application form and uploaded all necessary documentation, it's time to hit that submit button. Review everything one more time to make sure you haven't missed anything. Then, with a simple click, your application will be on its way to Republic Bank for processing. Once you've submitted your application, a bit of patience is required as the bank reviews your information. The processing time may vary, so if you haven't heard back immediately, don't fret. If all goes well and everything checks out, you'll soon receive an approval notice and you'll be ready to start using your new credit card. By following these steps and preparing your documents carefully, the online application process can be straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your Republic Bank credit card application journey. Good luck!